Jeff Denholm, CEO and founder of Strongwater Technologies. We're green chemistry innovators in the fire service. Got two missions. One, to provide better tools for firefighters. The industry is in serious need of innovation. And number two, to take the toxic chemicals out of the firefighters' tool belts. Firefighters, unfortunately, suffer from the highest rate of occupational cancer in the country. And that bothers us. We're inspired to develop alternatives that don't hurt them. My inspiration to develop the technology, the original first-generation product, came from my experience in fighting fire as a U.S. Forest Service contractor. And it just seemed to me that with the acceleration of wildfire throughout the Western United States, we needed to do better. We needed better tools. And I read a lot about the chemical impacts of the AFFF foams and heavy metals, and I'm an environmental guy and an outdoorsman. And those issues bother me.
Strongwater's come out and basically pre-treated some exposure trees we've had. We've really seen the benefit. It's done a great job.
We're able to utilize this gel for a pre-suppression effort to end up having a huge effect. We're able to save these trees that have probably been here for hundreds of years. Will hopefully live for another 100 years.
We have three different products. We make an AeroTac product. We're a QPL bucketed helicopter certified chemical for direct attack suppression. We make a structural firefighting product called Firefighter, which is what we've been just demonstrating this week. It can be used for direct attack suppression in interior fires, getting firefighters out of buildings quicker, lowering ambient temperatures to survivable rates quicker, lowering the amount of water they use, lowering the amount of toxic runoff they use.
This is the first time I've been able to use this gel, and not only just pre-suppression, we're actually using it right now. This structure's pretty much completely burnt. We're using it to squash all the smoke. So not only do we use it for pre-suppression on these beautiful cottonwoods overhanging us, we've also used it post-fire suppression to be able to dumb down the smoke so we can get on with our lives.
The primary basis for my interest in this business is so I can be rooted in the fire service and to work with them and to help them.